Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 25th Jan 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 56 points up move at the level of 10,942. US markets have done pretty okay for itself, that is 22 points down on DowJones, 47 points up on Nasdaq, and S&P at 3 points up on US markets. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in green in today's pre-open and open session. What is Indian markets supposed to do in today's session? The Indian markets have done quite negative for yesterday. It was a doji which was formed yesterday. There was a market tumble even yesterday. The market went down to the level of 10,800 levels and afterwards came up. So 10,800 lent a very strong support for the market yesterday. So it did not crash below that. The level of 10,776 is a very strong support for the market. This black line denotes the 50-day moving average at 10,776.19. That is a very strong support for the market. If the market has to see supports, yesterday the market closed around the level of 10,850 levels. So the supports for Indian markets are at the levels of 10,834 levels, 10,800, 10,776 levels, 10,750 levels, 10,707 levels, 10,674 levels are very strong supports for the market. If we have to see the resistances are at the levels of 10,880 levels, 10,900 level, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950, 11,000, 11,000 and 90, 11,171 are resistances we have to watch out for. The MACD is showing that we are in negative as of now, that the momentum is towards downside. So unless the MACD reverses to the top, we will not see much upsides in the market. And slow stochastic and fast stochastic came back from the level of overbought zone, and it has reversed its stance that overbought zone is completed now. We have the market which is again, it's supposed to go up in the sessions to come. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge and the knowledge to make about 3% to 15% almost guaranteed 97% of the times, I will be teaching you this in 2-day workshop happening tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 5 strategies which makes you money on a monthly basis on a almost guaranteed scale. This is happening in 91 Springboards, Residency Road and Go to Webinar. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.